everyone, hope you are all doing good. In today's video I will be showing you how to sew a circle dress. There is a video on how to cut a circle dress on my YouTube channel. I will drop the link below. Now I'm taking the fabric to the machine to join the two shoulders together. I'm joining the shoulders together. Now I want to measure where I will insert my pockets. So I want it to be around my waist. So this is 18. So I'll place, this is where I will place my pocket. Then I will mark the other side as well, so I can insert the two pockets. Now I'm sewing the pockets, the side pockets. Now I'm joining the sides together. Now I'm sewing the two side pockets together. Now I want to sew the sleeve. I'm only sewing the side, so I will attach it to the circle dress. Now I'm sewing it together. Now I've attached the sleeve, the two sleeves. I've attached the two sleeves now. So this is the first one and this is the second sleeve, which I've done. So the next thing right now is to tidy up the neckline with bias. So I will tidy up the neckline. Then the bottom of the dress here, I'll just sew it round, fold it this way, fold it this way. Then I fold it again. I fold it the second time, then I will sew it round. Sew it round. So this is the way I will sew it round. And I will show you the final look. Now I want to tidy the neckline area with bias. So this way we are going to do it. I'm sewing the bottom part of it now. Here is the circle dress. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the neck, the sleeve, and the pocket area as well. The pocket area. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Click on the red button and don't forget to click on the notification bell for you to be notified when there is a new video. Thank you.